In the previous sessions, you learned about text and shape effects and how to animate them. In this session, you will learn how to change their style. Suppose we have a rectangle and we want to make a shadow for it. Right-click on this rectangle and we can select any of these styles from the layer style. These options are also available in Photoshop. In Photoshop, there are all these options in the FX section. There are exactly these options in After Effects. For example, when I choose Drop Shadow, the Drop Shadow option is added in the Content section. You can change the settings of this section as you wish. For example, distance increases or decreases the distance of the shadow compared to the shape. In the Angle section, you can change the angle of the light and change the direction of the shadow. In the Opacity section, reduce its transparency. In the Spread section, increase or decrease the spread of the shadow. Increase and decrease the size of the shadow, or add some noises to the shadow. Change the settings to your taste. It is not too difficult. I leave it to you. If you don't like this style, you can select it and hit the delete button and try the other styles. For example, by selecting Inner Shadow, a shadow will be created inside the rectangle. Like Drop Shadow, you can change the settings and see the result. You can do this even on text. For example, I type a text and I use a Drop Shadow style to create a shadow. You can open its settings and change them to your taste. Or you can even use two styles at the same time. For example, I choose the Bevel and Emboss style. This style gives text or shape an indentation or prominence. You choose any of these options as you wish and change its settings and make attractive style in this way. Select these options in order and set the result. It is not very difficult. Explore the options to learn well. Select and delete any styles you don't like.